Earlier, we spoke to the fabulous Tarra Jones, and now you get to hear her sing. No more waiting. Tarra, take it away.
Discouraged. Why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home when Jesus is my portion? Constant friend is He. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know God watches little old me. I sing because I'm happy. Oh, I sing because I'm free. Yeah, His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me.
Wow! You got some lungs there, girl. Wow! Oh my gosh, you sound great. Oh, that is very good. I love hearing you sing.
Thank you so much.
It's amazing to me that you took 20 years to teach
And then come back.
and then have this career at this point
Weren't
in
you
your life.
singing to your students?
They were my audience most days.
Oh, that's
Great.
I was
your
the favorite
presence
class.
Is enormous.
Well,
Thank you for
Yes.
that beautiful voice.
Thank you so
All right.
much. I
Well, and you
appreciate
guys
it.
can hear that beautiful voice. Just go to the Church of Trinity, and you can actually get the tickets at trinitymcc.com. And that concert is going to be Saturday, June the 4th at 4 p.m. Again, the Church of Trinity. And get our tickets. And look, we can hear you sing in person. Thank you so much,
Absolutely.
Tarra.
Thank you.